My name is Ritika Singh Chauhan, and today's video is going to be about fall makeup look. So it is going to be nudie, a little bit glittery, and lots of blush, and a bit kind of folly, a bit fall. So it's my takeover on the fall makeup look because I have added glitter. So yeah, it's totally my takeover on the fall look. So yeah, I hope you like this look, and if you want to know how I created this look, keep on watching. And before moving on, please subscribe to my channel, that would be very sweet. So yeah, so I'm gonna start off with this moisturizer. It's from Pond's. It's the Super Light Gel Moisturizer. And now for the primer, I'm using the Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. So I am sick today and I'm having a pimple too, so I'm just not doing good these days. But for the okay, now for the foundation, I'm using this foundation. It's the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 120 Classic Ivory, and one is in the shade 128 Warm Nude. So I'm gonna mix them together and make my own shade. I'm gonna dot on my face. Now to blend my foundation, I'm using this beauty blender. It's from Blue Heaven, and this is how it looks. So I'm gonna blend my foundation with it. To hide my dark circles or to cover up my dark circles, I'm using this concealer, these two concealer from Maybelline. One is in the shade medium and one is in the shade light. It's the Fit Me concealer. For the brush, I'm using this Zoeva concealer buffing brush, and whatever its name is. Now I'm using the shade light to highlight my under eye. Okay, now to set my face, I'm using this powder from Maybelline. It's the Fit Me powder in the shade 230 Natural Buff, and I'm using this brush. It's almost dead. This is the unknown brush. It's a nameless brush from Amazon. This is how I call my Amazon brushes, nameless brush from Amazon. And yeah. Now to set my under eye, I'm using this Fit Me loose powder in the shade 15 light and my sponge from Blue Heaven. Now for the eyes, I'm using This Is All I Need eyeshadow palette from Tan Beauty, and I'm gonna create a fall look today. So it's going to be nudie, orangey fall look, and I'm adding a little bit of shimmer in this look also, a little bit, not too much. And this look is very wearable and very easy to create and very daily kind of a look. So yeah, first I'm gonna take this shade Workaholic on my nameless brush from Amazon, of course, and it is a dense blending brush. I'm gonna put this shade all over my crease. Now on the same brush I'm going to take the shade Blow a Kiss and just going to deepen up my crease. Okay, now I'm taking this kajal from Lakme. It's in the shade brown, classic brown. Now I'm gonna put this shade close to my upper lash line. Now I'm gonna blend this shade with my finger. So now I'm gonna take the shade Highlight on my small finger and I'm gonna put it on my lid. Okay, now I'm gonna blend this shade with my Nykaa eyeshadow brush. It's a flat top brush, so yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna take the same kajal and gonna put it on my lower lash line. Again, gonna smudge it with my finger. And now I'm gonna take the same kajal again and I'm just going to make the upper lash line more prominent. The kajal we already smudged. Oh my god, wow. The kajal we already smudged. I'm just going to make that more prominent. Eventually the lines got connected. Well, that was not my plan, but it looks good, so doesn't matter. As long as it is looking good, it really doesn't matter. So yeah, I'm gonna do my other eye off the camera and I'll be right back. So our eyes are complete, and if you find this eye darker than this eye, it's because I blocked light here. So this eye eventually looks darker than this one. So I'm gonna do my mascara in the end because that's my habit. I always do my mascara in the end. So let's move on to the eyebrows, and for the eyebrows I'm using the Miss Claire eyebrow cake, and I'm gonna use the spoolie and the brush which comes with this. And I'm gonna use these two shades. I'm gonna mix them together, and first I'm gonna comb them, and it's a very useless spoolie. I really have to change my light settings because this looks very awkward and this looks very awkward. This eyebrows looks like I have done with a sketch pen. Really, it looks like Hage Maru eyebrows, but it's not. Both the eyebrows look same. Don't worry about that. So I'm not gonna contour my face today because I don't feel like contouring today. I'm just gonna go with the blush and highlight, and for the blush I'm using this one. It's the LA Colors Red Rouge blush in the shade As If, and it's a very pretty pink blush. For the blush brush, I'm using this brush. It's from Zoeva. It's a sheer cheek brush. It's a blush brush. So yeah. Blush is done. Now for the highlighter, I am using this highlighter palette from NYX. It's the Born to Glow highlighter palette, and so I'm gonna take this shade, the rose gold one and the gold one, on my again nameless brush from Amazon. So yeah, but this is how the brush looks. It's an angular small brush. Now for the lipstick, I'm using this lipstick. It's from Nykaa. It's their Ultra Matte range, and it's in the shade 11 Jane. It's the perfect color for the fall. It's a very beautiful peachy brown shade. So this is how the shade looks. 11 Jane. Okay, so our makeup is almost done. Lashes are remaining. So for the lashes, I'm using this mascara. It's from Maybelline. It's the Falsies Push Up Drama mascara, and it's the washable variant, and it's my most favorite mascara. I've already curled my lashes with the Sheen lash curler. If you know, I always use that lash curler, and Sheen all banned, so you can use any lash curler. And I'm gonna put the mascara on now. Lashes make such a difference. So yeah, this brings us to the end of the video, and I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.